What's the meaning of Capitol Hill? Capitol Hill. Capitol Hill.
Capitol Hill. Capitol Hill. Capitol Hill is a historic neighborhood in Washington, D.C. that is home to the United States Capitol building and many other important government institutions. The term Capitol Hill is often used as a metonym for the U.S. Congress and the political activity that takes place there. The neighborhood is also known for its beautiful architecture, tree-lined streets, and vibrant cultural scene. Overall, Capitol Hill is a symbol of American democracy and a hub of political power and influence.